Good morning. Good morning. Happy Friday, everybody. Happy Friday. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for watching Trading with David 305. All right, guys. So, looks like there was a big drop yesterday. Tapped daily low. Previous day low. And then ripped right back up on the hourly time frame here. Let me make that just a little bit bigger, guys, just for you guys. Oh, wait. Let's even it out here. Okay. So, the hourly time frame, as you can see, still in a downwards trend. Let's see. Yeah, this was yesterday. 7 a.m., 9 a.m. Super choppy, guys. Super choppy. It eventually pumped. And yeah, it eventually pumped right here and then came down. But it did drop yesterday. Crazy, 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 crazy. For me, it's these crazy wicks right here. Look at this. Wick down, wick up, wick up, wick down, wick up. Like, that's very difficult. That's chop, man. That's chop on another level. This is another chop zone. Look at this. It delivers, then rips right back up again. Super annoying to trade this shit, man. Super annoying. Like, you take a short here. This shit rips all the way back up, takes you out, and then rips all the way down. It's like, fuck. Crazy, crazy. Anyways, good morning, everybody. Thank you guys for tuning in. Let's see. Appreciate you guys for tuning in. I don't think there's anything today for news. Let's see. This week. Apply. Yeah. Saturday. Oh, Friday. Nothing. There's nothing on the docket for today. I don't know if that's good or bad. Oh, let me turn that on. I just saw it. All right. That's for my just a backup, just in case. Oh yes, yesterday during Asia, I took a little trade to get my $100 back, and I did. As you can see, made 112. You want to laugh? The first trade I took, I lost, and then I was like, oh shit! Now I gotta get that back plus the $100. And so I took another trade and got it back, luckily, or else I would be having a different conversation with you guys right now. But yeah, got the 100 back. We're up $15 on the eval. Obviously, we're not gonna mess with the funded account. That's up $390. But we're gonna trade the eval today. Let's see what ATR is at. ATR is at 28. Currently, it's a little high. We're used to like 10, 16. So let's see what happens. I'm gonna mark out some specific liquidity zones. Obviously, London low. We're gonna move this down here. All right, I'm gonna take this down. And okay, and we're gonna mark London high here. So that's 24,616, and London low is 24,319. All right, we're gonna mark out the Asia high. Let's mark that out. All right. So Asia high is right here. 24660.25. Alrighty, I think we have pretty good zones marked out. Let's see what the old zones are still. There's a zone here. We can mark the New York high. Let's mark that. If it's not marked already, should be marked actually. Should be marked out already. Let's see. If not, I'll mark it right now. Oh. All right, that's the New York high from yesterday. 24,691 has not been taken out. So we marked up some key levels. Good morning everybody. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for watching Trading with David 305. I trade the NASDAQ Futures, NQ or MNQ. Currently MNQ, which is micros NASDAQ. All right. Hope you got your coffee, power drink, whatever you drink. What up? What up, Mike? You ready? You ready? What up, Danny? Welcome. Good morning, guys. Bom dia. Is that a... I don't know what that is, bro. Let's see. All right, so yeah, we're currently in a downtrend. We've been in a downtrend for some time now. Let's see. Kind of. Yeah, yesterday took some shorts, but it was just not shorting, even though it ended up going short. So yesterday was, let's see, hold up. Okay, we're here. Yeah, this was where I was yesterday. I was trying to take this damn shorts, and I think on this candle. No, not this candle. Yeah, 10 a.m. It started pumping. It did these little freaking wicks, man. Look at this chop, dude. This is where oh shit, my bad. These wicks right here is what just killed everybody yesterday. This is the freaking session. This is the New York session right here. Chop, wick up, wick down, wake up, wick down. Just garbage. It was just garbage. Oh, that's a Brazilian good morning. Ah, gotcha. Speaking Portuguese over here. Okay. Okay. All right, guys. So yeah, yesterday sucked, but it did stay under VWAP. So I mean, I wasn't wrong about the shorts. It's just I kept getting wiped out. So anyways, I did take a little trade during Asia to get my $100 back because I was pissed that I lost. I was under. I don't like the red, guys. I don't know. I just don't. I was like, I could get $100 back. Almost played myself. Actually lost the first trade. Then I had to get that back plus the 100. Ended up getting that back. So we're plus 15 on the week on the eval. This is just the eval. The funded account is good. I haven't played with the other fundeds this week just because every trading session has been chopped. And plus, it's been rollover. Contracts have been rolling over, so yeah, that makes the week even choppier. Different size volume on two different kinds of contracts, and just we weren't getting we weren't getting the delivery we were looking for. So, but today we gotta watch this because we're already clearly at a very low level. Not saying that NASDAQ can go lower, because NASDAQ does whatever it wants, but it's kind of going sideways right now. It could dump, hit this liquidity zone that I marked out, which is a previous low down here. You can see over here. So it could tap that, or we just got to keep an eye on it, or it could completely fill the remaining of this gap here and maybe start shooting up a little bit. Maybe want to hit the previous day high, swing highs, maybe fill this little imbalance and then go lower, or do a pullback and then continue going higher. We're just gonna have to keep an eye on it. There's a couple things it could do, but we're gonna react to what we see. We're not gonna predict, we're gonna react to what we see. So overall, it is kind of in a downtrend, guys, and it constantly gets rejected off the EMAs and VWAP. So until we see a strong push through all of that and a close, I don't know if we should be looking for longs. Just my opinion. But yeah, I already marked out the London high, London lows. If you haven't done that, those are key liquidity zones. Marked out New York high and Asia high. Obviously no Asia low, just because we're already taking that out. But yeah, if you guys can't see something good, just let me know. I'll make this slightly bigger for you guys. All right, we got about 15 more minutes until the New York Stock Exchange opens, guys. Stay patient. Stay patient. Happy Friday, y'all. Happy Friday, Lauren. Happy Friday. Hopefully we don't get choppy weather on a freaking Friday, man. Let's see. ATR currently on the 5-minute time frame on NASDAQ is 28. So let's see what happens there. I would love to do a one and done trade today and enjoy the rest of my weekend. That's the plan. So let's see what happens. How is ES doing? Let's see how ES is doing. ES is very similar to NQ here. Got that same little gap, same little gap. So yeah, guys, doing very similar stuff. It looks like what's it called? NQ already did a sweep of the swing high. This one kind of did an equal high. VWAP is a little closer to the price than it is on NQ. So VWAP is this red line here. Just so you guys know, it's a little, sorry, I don't have the same colors, but yeah, if it's like a thicker line, it's usually, I set it as VWAP. All right. Oh, all right, guys. So if it's your first time tuning in, I use a couple sound effects when I believe it's going up to the moon. Green giant. You'll hear green giant. When I think it's going down to hell, you're gonna hear tactical nuke incoming. So yeah, I got a couple different sound effects. Those are just two that I mainly use, but you'll also hear me use a lot of other sound effects. All right. Especially if it's just continuing to pump, you're gonna hear Mario power up, or if you see it bounce as soon as it taps a liquidity zone or something like that, you're gonna see it. You're gonna hear different sounds, guys. Make it slightly entertaining. So let's see what happens. Yep. Let's see what happens, guys. Thank you guys for tuning in. Make sure you hit that like button. Subscribe if you haven't already. Please hit the like button. That helps me grow the channel. Gets more viewers. Educates more people in trading. And the goal is to have hundreds of thousands of viewers. When I get to that level, guys, maybe I got an affiliate code or a sponsor from one of these prop firms. Don't worry, guys. I'm always going to stay true and always going to look for the best trades. I'm not going to be sabotaging you guys to get your prop firm blown up or anything like that. If you lose, I probably lost too. Oh man. $24,200 sell side
Connection
looks
lost.
Oh man, don't be playing with me. 24,200. 24,200? Did I mark that out? Yeah, I put 24,000 to, what is this? 213. So yeah, it always sweeps it. Probably gets to 200. Yeah, for sure. Yeah, it looks like a clear zone of liquidity for sure. That's why I kind of marked that area out at that low, just because I saw that here on this time frame, on the 60-minute 1 hour time frame. I saw this sweep to this low, so for sure there's buyers down here just waiting to get a great price. So bro, what am I doing here? Okay, there we go. So yeah, I kind of marked that out. Yep. That could be a nasty liquidity zone. But let's see how it goes. Let's see if it rips through that. If it bounces, then we have a support pivot right here. If it's gonna bounce at that zone, boink, that would be beautiful. Let's see. It's I mean, right now, since we're under all the EMAs and VWAP, you know, I'm kind of looking for shorts until it gets all above that. Then I kind of start looking for longs. But right now, we are in a downtrend overall on the 1 hour time frame. So ideally we're looking for shorts. And yeah, it's crazy. I say this almost every stream. I dislike shorts. I don't know why everybody's like, but shorts are great. I don't know, man. I always get cooked on shorts. I don't know what it is. When I take longs, I don't know. I do a little better. But it's just the longs are not in play. The bears are totally in control, guys. For now. For now. For now. All right, here we go. Here we go. We got about 7 minutes. 7 minutes until the New York Stock Exchange opens. This thing kind of looks like it wants to go. I think it wants to fill this gap at open. Maybe retest EMA 50 and then come down. Or continue going up. Fill this gap. Tap the daily high. This is the... Did it sweep? I think it kind of tapped the previous day low. It kind of did. See, it kind of like tapped that. That's why we're getting this pump. Interesting. ATR is 26 right now, guys. On the 5-minute time frame. 26, almost 27. Fairly decent. Fairly decent. All right, let me pull up. There's no news today, in case you're wondering. What? There we go. Okay. All right, so we got the 15-minute time frame here. Oof, 15-minute time frame looks like chop on another level, guys. My God. 4-hour time frame looks like a shooting star if you pull that up. But yeah, the 15-minute time frame. I'll just swipe it over so you guys could see this. Look at that. That is chop city. That's the 15-minute time frame, guys. And then on the 4-hour time frame, there we go. We got a shooting star. That's 4 hours there. So yeah. All right, 5 more minutes. 5 more minutes till the New York Stock Exchange. Good morning, Soundgineering. Happy Friday. Let's get it. Let's go. 5 more minutes or less than, yeah, 5 more minutes. 4 more minutes almost until the New York Stock Exchange opens. Stay ready, guys. Stay patient. Don't chase. Don't chase. Stay patient. I know it could rip and it continues going in one direction. You're like, oh my God. Oh my God, I could have caught that. We are right at VWAP. Right at VWAP, guys. Just stay patient, guys. Could it rip to the top? Of course. Anything can happen, but just stay patient. Relax. Wait for a good move. We want to end Friday on a good note. Not on a bad note. Again, the only thing you can control is how much you put on the table, guys. Your risk. And if you take a trade or not. You don't have to take a trade either, guys. You really don't. If you're green on the week, you could just watch, man. But I know it's difficult. It's very difficult to be on the charts and watch and not do anything and sit on your hands. That is the hardest thing in the world. Yeah. Hardest thing is to not do anything. For me, I just don't even turn the chart on, to be honest. If I'm not gonna trade, oh, I need to turn this light on. Is that better? Let's see. Okay. All right. It's a little better there. All right, guys. Let's see. Got about 2 more minutes and 40 seconds until the New York Stock Exchange opens. Are you guys ready to rumble? Don't worry, guys.
I got this.
I got this. This week has been really rough, man. Oh my God. We've been getting slapped around. But I think everybody has, honestly. It's just not delivering in any specific direction. Very choppy. It's just really rough week for us. But luckily, we're still green on the week. Even if we're only green a few dollars. We'll survive, and then we got next week and the week after that. So it'll be all right. It'll be all right, guys. Oh, something I learned recently. So with this Lucid account, I thought I was going to get charged another month because I haven't passed it yet. They don't do that like other prop firms. When you're on the eval stage, they just let you have it until you pass it or blow the account. So every month, 30 days that passes, they don't charge you anything. So I was like, oh, this is great. I have all the time to pass this, and I have over 16,000 in drawdown. All I got to do is get my consistency down, and I have a funded account. So that's a pretty cool thing about Lucid. I just started trading with that account, and that's just dope. I know almost every other prop firm, you have like about 30 days, and then they charge you again if you haven't passed the eval stage and within 30 days. So Yep. So if you really need time to pass an eval, shit, Lucid Flex account. That's just fire. I read the rules. I was like, wait a minute, I haven't been charged yet. What's going on? So yeah. Fun fact. All right, guys, 20 seconds, 25 seconds. All right, 10 seconds. We're going to start getting the flash. It's going to start going crazy. And we're open. Market is open, guys. Market is open. Let's zoom in here so we could see exactly what's happening on the 5-minute. Might be going for that swing low there. That old swing low down here. Let's see. There it goes. Tapped VWAP. Now it's going for a new lower low. A lower low. So we got this swing low here. Gonna really sweep it or continue to the other swing low that's down here, 24,211 more or less, 200. There's a support pivot down here. So might want to head down here, guys. Just keep an eye on it. Let's see what happens. Let's be patient. Oh yeah, for sure this shit is
tactical nuke incoming.
It is going down. Let's see how it reacts to the pivot point. The support pivot there. There is also a huge imbalance here. It might just rip right through it. This thing is dumping, man. Yeah, I don't take trades at open, guys. I don't do that. But if I were, it would have been a short for sure, especially after tapping VWAP. I'm sure a lot of people are done for the day already. They're like, oh, tap VWAP, rejection, short it. Oh, and there's this liquidity zone down here. Short it for sure to swing low. I can imagine a lot of people doing that. A lot of people taking shorts right now. Yeah. Patience, guys. Patience pays. Just relax. Don't chase. Don't chase. Just go grab some coffee or something. Just relax. It hasn't even been 5 minutes that the market opened. There's gonna be an opportunity, guys. Yeah, Lauren. Yeah. So in case you like taking your time with an eval, you know, I learned that about Lucid. I was like, wait a minute, I didn't get charged another subscription for 30 days. They're like, nope. They hold they don't do a subscription. It's a one-time charge, and until you pass it or blow the account. So yeah. No, their rules are fire, man. They're fire. That's the way it should be, honestly. But the other prop firms try to keep getting money from your ass. Okay, 5 minutes is about to be in 20 seconds. The 5-minute candle. Let's see what it does. It's tapping that support pivot, as you can see. Let's see what ES is doing. It's at super trend, also at a support pivot. Kind of did it tap this swing low? Yeah, it's like an equal low there. Also has an imbalance down here. Previous day low already kind of got swept. All right, yeah, I'm pretty sure it wants to go lower, guys, just a little bit. At least sweep these lows before it pops. Let's go back to the 1 hour. A lot of room to the downside. Again, the trend is bearish. Thank you guys for tuning in. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Appreciate it. Thank you guys. Helps me grow the channel. Trying to get, at least let me get to 100 subscribers, man. I'm at like 79 right now. 79. Tell your little brother or big brother or people who might be interested or slightly interested, just hit subscribe, bro. Just subscribe to the damn page. They don't even gotta watch me. Well, let's see. All right, so we got about 10 more minutes. 10 more minutes until the orb is set. So we're just gonna keep patiently waiting here. Patiently waiting, guys. It's gonna be all right. All right, let's change the music up a bit, just a little bit. A little more relaxed, a little more chill, just a little bit. The little beat. Alright, let's see. Is it gonna go lower? This is gonna rip right back up. What are you gonna do, NASDAQ? What is ES doing right now? Trying to figure out if it's gonna break through that pivot. Obviously, it's having a little bit of resistance at that point. We got super trend here, so if it closes under super trend will flip back to the top part, like how it flipped here when it broke. It will flip and turn bearish. The super trend. A super trend is calculated by price action. So all right, looks like it wants to go lower. It's going down for that sweep, that swing low down there. If it could close just a little lower, I would say just a little bit, then do like a little pop, then show us it wants to go lower, breaks out of orb. I like that short. I like that short. Maybe we can capture a quick little move right there. Maybe. Just gotta be careful we don't become liquidity. So don't risk a lot today, guys. Don't risk a lot. Honestly, I don't think I'm gonna risk more than one. Should I do 1 or 2 micros? No, let's do 1 micro. Let's not get crazy, guys. Not on a Friday. We don't need to. We're already green on the week. I know it's garbage that we're green, but yeah. All right. 5 more minutes until the orb is set. 5 more minutes. 5 more minutes until the orb is set, guys. All right. Forgive me, I'm sleepy. ATR is at 34. Alright, so I'm getting kind of what I want to see. If this completely rips up, then we're looking for longs, obviously. But if it just taps in and then shows it wants to go lower, oh yeah, we taking the short. Okay. Let's see. We'll set the orb in just a moment, guys. Just a moment. Oh. Which way are you going, NASDAQ? Which way are you going? Inversion? No sweep and inversion? That's tricky. Tricky. V-shape recovery with no sweep. I mean, on the 15, it did kind of tap an imbalance. It didn't fill the whole thing though. I mean, 4-hour time frame is looking very undecided. This is very tricky. Anyways, I'm gonna set the orb already. Orb is here. Alright, there's the orb, guys. Let me just fix it up a little bit. Tighten up. Oh shit. It's just going up? We're gonna fix the orb? If it breaks to the upside, we're gonna have to fix that shit. There we go. Alright. This is crazy. We're not gonna take a breakout into VWAP. We need to see it close way up there before we go long. That's crazy. This could be a pullback, guys. It might be retesting EMA 21 and EMA 50 and then shoot straight down. Ideally, I want to see a break to the downside. That's the truth. All right, so make sure you set that 15-minute orb. I'm gonna set it here on ES also, so we can get a good confluence. All right. Wow, this one doesn't have a wick. All right. Let's see what is gonna happen here. Very, very interesting. It's going right back into that range on the 15-minute time frame. It was ranging. Wow. This is going up with a lot of strength, guys. Is this going to be a complete V-shaped recovery? I don't know. All right. This is going to be, again, oof. I need to see it close. Shit. I'm only doing 1 micro on the eval, man. Fuck that. Yo, this is... I hate doing a breakout into freaking VWAP, guys. Every time it's tapped VWAP, it has been rejected. Every time. So taking a long here is super risky. But NASDAQ yesterday played with us, man. It broke out right into VWAP and then kept running through it. Yo, I don't know, man. If you're willing to take the risk, if it pops above, let's see what happens. It's not, I mean, the overall trend is bearish, guys, so taking a long here is very, very tricky. Now it might want to fill this remaining imbalance before it goes lower, so not impossible to get a three green candles to the upside. That's usually a pretty common pattern here. Boom, boom, boom. It likes to do 3 candle patterns. But yeah, let's see if it breaks through all this. Let's see. All right, a clear rejection off VWAP on ES. You can see right here, literally tapped it right there and completely rejected. So this is actually really what I wanted to see. I want to see it close here and then goes for these swing lows here. Actually, I'm gonna do 2 micros. Let's go. If it breaks to the downside, I want to see 2 micros. I'm gonna do 2 micros. Nothing crazy, just getting a little riskier. Overall, let's see, 1 hour. Yeah, it's pushing down hard, guys. We got 2 minutes and 30 seconds still. Let's see how this closes. Hopefully it doesn't chop around, man. If it chops, then we're cooked. ATR is at 37. It is looking kind of bearish on almost all the higher time frames too. Back on ES. Just keep an eye on this. Make sure you know what you're looking at. Just so you can see my P&L. We're going to be trading this account. We'll shoot for about 200 bucks. Nothing crazy. Alright, but we're not going to take anything until we see some sort of breakout. If it breaks to the upside, the ideal move there would be to look for a retest. If it breaks to the upside, guys, just because VWAP is there. With my luck, it won't give us a retest and it'll keep ripping. And then we miss the whole move. Oh, come on, NASDAQ. Figure it out, man. Do something clean. You've been choppy all week, dude. Do something clean. The cleaner move would be to the downside. A rip to the upside, I think I would wait for a retest, depending on how strong that green candle is. All right. This candle closes in 5 minutes. Wait a minute. Don't run without us. Alright, let's see how it reacts to that. We need a strong close under. Would be ideal. Would be right through this imbalance, guys. If it closes right through this imbalance without hitting the swing low, that would be a perfect short. Okay. Okay, slow it down, turbo. Close it right here in about 4 minutes and 30 seconds. I need to see it close like about here. Not hitting the swing low. Even though it has hit that swing, that daily low, it kind of tapped it. So that's why I marked that blue line. Alright, let me take this out of here, guys, so you can see better. Okay. Slow it down. Slow it down. I need you to close like right about there. Oh, no. Slow down. Slow down. Don't leave without us. Did it hit the swing low? Yeah, it did. It did hit this daily low, of course. But as we were looking at earlier, we're looking for this real swing here. This is strong, guys. This is very strong. We got 3 minutes and 40 seconds. That's a lot of freaking time for this shit to freaking keep running. Don't run without us. Please don't run without us. Oh my god. Don't do it. Don't do it. NASDAQ, you little bastard. Don't leave us. Don't run without us. Don't do it. No. Oh my god. No. Slow down. Let me tell you something. Don't go for that swing yet. If it breaks too far away from the orb, guys, down here, we have to wait for a retest. ATR is at 39. Okay. If it does break and hits this low, we're gonna have to wait for a retest to then get in short. Okay, but if not, we're taking the shorty. Let me tell you something. Wow, what a sweep of that gap right there. This is London low right here for the ES. So a zone it wants to sweep too. That's the blue line here. Don't go for it yet. Slow down. If it takes this low, we have to wait for a retest. Oh my god, bro. This is what I don't trade on the 1 minute time frame. Maybe that's my fault. I don't know. Oh my god, it's going too much. Slow it down, Turbo. Please slow it down. Please slow it down. Don't. Not yet. Please. 1 minute. Just in 1 minute. Close right about there. 1 minute. 1 minute. Just close right there and then punch it all the way to hell. All right. 1 minute. 1 minute. Here we go. Don't rush. Let's hang on here. Let's hang on for a second. Okay. 40 seconds, guys. All right, get ready. Yep. This is doing what I kind of want to see. Now, you guys can take a quick scalp. I'm going to shoot for 50 to 60 points. That's what I'm going to shoot for. So I'm going to let it ride. If it chops me, it chops me. Shooting for 200 bucks. All right, 20 seconds. Here we go. Hopefully this isn't a sweep and then it pops right back up. All right, now you're losing too much steam. Too much steam losing. Yo. Keep your ass down there.
Order filled.
Okay. I don't think I'm asking for much. All right. So ATR is 42. That's a pretty tight stop, guys. I think that's we're gonna leave it. Because if not, then I gotta make a bigger TP. So we're going to shorts, guys. In the shorts, let's see if we could get a nice little flush like I want. I think this is a pretty A+ setup. Let's go. You guys can close it whenever you want right there. You guys can close it out right there if you want. You guys can close it out right there. You guys can close it out at 100 bucks, 50 bucks. I don't know what you're at. I'm 2 micros. Come on, let's get a nice flush. Little bastard, don't do a double bottom. Let's get it. Hang in there. Come on. Flush it. There it is. Come on. Let's go. Just a little bit more. Let's go. Flush it. You have your swings down here, please. Let's go, shorty. Let's go. Flush it. A little bit more. You can close it whenever you want, guys. Hey, we're in the green no matter what. Oh, now it comes all the way up. Stops me out. No. Don't do that. You better flush it now. Let's go. Flush it. Uh-oh, it just tapped that daily low. Let's go. Oh man, so tempted to close. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Hey, all right. Oh my goodness.
Order filled.
I'm closing it.
Order filled.
Fuck it. Fuck it. Yeah. I don't know. I've been getting faked out and it doesn't completely deliver, guys. So whatever. Where are we at? 260, guys. Well, technically I was already up 100, so 160 something. We're up. Green on the week. Let's go. Ah, what happened here? Got your bread back. Of course you did, Papa, because you're trading with me. Y'all trading with me. Look, and it keeps running, guys. And it keeps running. I just didn't want it to sweep here and then bounce. So I'm good with that, guys. I'm good with that. We made I made 260. I made 100 on Asia, and then I made 160 or 50 or something. I don't even know where I closed it at. Again, it might get all the way down to that that low right here. Hold up. There's a low down here at 24,200. 24,200, but we did hit a sweep. So when this candle closes in a minute and 14 seconds, we could get a pop up, guys. So be very careful on the short. If you're gonna trail very closely. All right, this was pretty A+ setup. Look at this shit go. If you guys are still in the trade, you're Gucci, guys. You are super Gucci if you took the short right when I took it. Let's go, man. Finally, some sort of delivery, man. Tell me orb don't work, guys. Come on. Look at a perfect orb break on ES and NQ. ES broke, NQ broke. That increases your chances that it's going to go in that direction. We marked out this swing. Just be careful here, guys. Again, 30 seconds. New 1 hour candle is going to open. Could get a little pop up reaction, or it could continue to flush, but just be very careful. If you're in the trade, I would trail very, very tightly. Let's go. W's in the chat. W's in the chat. Let's go. Danny got his bread back. Let's get it. Let's get it. Y'all took that short. All right, here we go. Be careful. There's always a pop on the new 1 hour candle. It might pop up, it might flush. I don't know exactly, but I'm good, guys. How many points did I get? Probably not my best. I couldn't hold it anymore just because I've been taking hits all week, man. That shit messes with your psychology. I didn't want to take another freaking hit like that, especially on a Friday. Whatever. 37 points. Yeah, not too happy about that actually, but whatever, guys. A win is a win. Green is green. I hope you guys made more than me. So, green week, bro. Thank you. Let's go, Papa. This is what we do. This is what we do. Green weeks back to back to back. This confirms 9 weeks profitable. 9 weeks, guys. Roll all the footage back. Go watch the 50-something videos. 9 weeks green. Yes, we've had losses here and there, but what happens at the end of the week? We end up green. It might not be a lot of green, but the key is to stay profitable. You can only get what the market is willing to give you. Sure, you would love to make $500 a day. It doesn't always work like that. Some days you're going to make 100. Some days you're going to lose 300. Some days you're going to make 500. Some days you're going to lose 100. Then you're going to be up 300. It's just a roller coaster ride. Look at this shit. This shit continues to flush, guys. Shorts, man. I told you in the morning, shorts are in play, guys. If it stays under VWAP, we're looking for the shorts. And I'm telling you, it's coming down to this sweep. 212, more or less. Might take a little while. There might be some pops up, guys, so just be careful. Oh man, make sure you guys hit that like button. Thank you guys for tuning in this week. I know it's been rough, but listen, if we stay disciplined, We stick with the same strategy. I have back tested it for more than 5 years. It's a 70% win rate, give or take. There's going to be 30% lose rates, guys. The 30% lose rate is what psychologically messes with humans, right? So you saw me lose and you're like, yo, David doesn't know what the hell he's doing right now. Like, he's getting cooked. Guys, that's part of the 30%, you know? But 70% of the time it'll work. It's just also, you know, rollover week of the contracts. We got Iran, US dropping bombs over there. Like, the world is cooked. The gas prices are like $10 in California. Shit's getting crazy. Shit's getting crazy, guys. But we're gonna stay disciplined and we're gonna stay consistent. And this is where I was telling you, be careful with the pop. Once it hits this swing low, there's a pop and then another drop. But let's go, guys. Lauren, where you at? I know Miss Shorty took a short. Oh man, what y'all got? Y'all put how much you guys got today? I know you guys got more than me, because I was for lack of a better word, I was a little bit of a vagina and closed it early right here, just because I thought there was gonna be a pop. You know, NASDAQ's been tricking us all fucking week, so I was like, yo, this shit might pop right back up and just fucking chop. So I was like, let me just take the damn 37 points that I didn't take yesterday and got cooked. You know what I mean? But overall, since I took that $100 trade and I was up in the green, and then today I took almost 200, a total of $379, guys. So how we ended the week. Let's go. We got 390, 163. Let's go. You know, it's not a crazy week. That's a total. Let me add it up just so we can get the right total. We got 390 plus 163. That's $553 on the week. I know it's not a big deal, but the key is to stay green, guys, and be profitable every week. 477. How many contracts, Papa? You're going in heavy, huh? You had a good conviction there that it was going down, huh? Well, I was saying it was going down. I mean, it gave us every sign that it wanted to go lower. But the way the market's been acting up lately, you know, I thought it was going to go psych, sweep, pop straight back up, then come down. You know, it's been doing some bullshit all week. So, and I did say, guys, close it out. Close it out. You know, like every time I'm in profit, more than 15, 20 points, I usually tell you guys, close it out if you want. You know what I mean? I feel kind of annoyed a little bit, the fact that I closed it early, but whatever, guys. It's Friday, man. I don't want to end the weekend on a bad note. But good job, guys. I'm super happy you guys are green. I'm super happy you guys are green on the week. And I appreciate you guys for watching. Make sure you guys hit that like button, subscribe button. I'm not taking another trade. We are good. This is what I hit in total for Asia and New York session. Right there, 260. If you guys are still in the long and you have, you know, just be careful. There could be a little pop up here and then down. So like I said, if you're trailing, trail very tight, guys. Well, I'm going to end the stream already there. Thank you, guys. Enjoy your weekend. I'll see you guys on Monday, 9 o'clock for the 9th week profitable. Is that good? Is that good, guys? Let's go, guys. Let's go. yeah, next week I should probably finally pass this damn eval, man. I just need to get the consistency down. The target was 53,000. I'm at 66,000. So I kind of blew the consistency on it. On that day I made 60,000, and I just been taking little trades here and there to get the consistency down. I'm at like 50 something consistency. I need to be under 50 or lower to get it passed. So I'm pretty sure next week we'll get it passed. But there we go. Ended the week with $553. Let's go. Not a crazy week, but hey, not every week could be home runs, guys. Not every week. But anyways, have a great weekend, guys. Thank you guys for watching every Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. I appreciate you guys more than you know. Make sure you hit that like button. Tell your friends if they really want to learn about trading. Come and subscribe. Watch David. They could ask questions, man. I try to explain everything as best as possible. Anyways, enjoy your weekend, guys. See you Monday. Take care, bro. See you next week sometime, guys. All right. Take it easy, Buckaroo. Take it easy, Danny. Glad you guys all won. Have a good one. Peace.